Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I'm coming on to show you. Finally, I did something with these beauties. These were my hand-painted cowrie beads or cowrie shells. And I'm just popping on to show you what I did with them. Alright, so that's the hand painted. You guys saw a post about those, a little while ago. It's been a bit. So I decided, and I just sat down today and was like, let me just do something with these. And look what I did. I'm loving these. Now, there's a little bit, you could see some imperfections, but I think overall they came out pretty darn cool. What do you think? So there's those. Look at that bling. So there's those. And then these were the first ones. I decided once I was playing around, I said, let me play around with these and see what I can do with them. And these were the first ones that I did. I love the way they came out. Nice little bling, subtle earrings, but nice bling, right? And then here's the purple and brass. I just wanted to show you what I did. Which ones are your favorite? I'll put them on some earring cards and probably post them again. But here they are. Only thing is they won't stay so you can see them. That's okay. But those are the earrings that I created with the beads that I painted. And I am looking forward to doing so much more with these cowrie beads. Cowrie shells. I can't call them right. I will definitely be posting for sure. If you have any ideas, let me know. Put them in the comments and let me know. So here's the purple and the orange and green. And then we've got the pink and the turquoise. Look at that. Those are yummy.